Yo, my team is genuinely bad. What the hell?
Eyes up. System's hot. We're not here for a tour.
I'm so dead here.
Please are. Stay on task.
Oh my goodness, dude. Jesus Christ. You fucking break your hornball.
Trigger discipline.
Fine, bitch. Oh, you gotta be fucking with me. Okay, so that's what I'm currently dealing with. Oh my goodness. And he's got a shotgun.
Sending Semtex.
I just wanted to reload. Where's my team at? Like, they know I'm getting jumped out here. That's a thing? That was a thing? Holy fuck.
UAV perimeter established in service.
Counter UAV ready for tasking.
Images above, jamming hostile radar. UAV mission timeline halfway checked. CUAV mission timeline 50% checked. Mission timeline expired. UAV exiting the AO. Bingo fuel. Counter UAV RTB.
I already know your game, kid. You bitch!
Hostiles removed your assault pack.
I'm behind you. I'm behind you, little nerd. I missed. I'm the best player on my team. There is no fucking way.
UAV commencing surveillance overflight.
Don't you dare steal my kill.
UAV fuel check 50%.
UAV prepped for launch.
Okay, steal my kills while you're at it, asshole.
See UAV in the turn. Playing music. UAV single fuel returning to base.
Hostile camo.
This is image. MTO halfway.
Hostile forces have destroyed your CUAV.
We're just straight up holed up here.
Confirming kill.
Lynn requesting CUAV.
Ion core available for deployment.
Lynn requesting UAV overflight. Enemy UAV detected.
Die, bitch. Yeah, I'm single-handedly the best player on my team.
Rainmaker, fire!
One of your assault packs has been destroyed.
Got the guild right where we want them. Keep it tight.
Oh, yeah, get dunked on, dude.
Incoming cluster.
Made that look easy, kill team.
Hey, GG's,
You may want to
GG's.
start taking notes.
I was just right there with you, dude. What the hell? And I was using a pistol, too, to make it worse. Oh, yeah, for a fact.
Team deathmatch. Safety's off. We're not here to make friends. Skewer incoming! Hostile care package above. Driving RCSD.
Semtex, front. Threat down.
Enemies eliminated one of your assault packs.
Authorizing skewer flight.
Hostiles removed your assault pack. UAV available for tasking.
UAV commencing surveillance overflight.
Take your damn fire, fuckers!
Your assault pack has been destroyed.
UAV fuel check 50%. UAV is bingo fuel, returning to base.
Discipline.
UAV ready for tasking.
UAV in the turn, playing music. Counter UAV MTL 50% expended.
Got the kill right where we want him. Keep it tight.
MTC is dry. Image exiting the AO.
I'm in drone pod.
And I'm in it. Face-off domination. Take the objective. Underway on Bravo. Bravo is ours.
I did not think he spotted
Losing
me.
Bravo. Bravo lost. Securing Zone A.
Okay, so
All zones are being locked down. Securing B. Locking down Bravo. Bravo zone secure. Taking Alpha.
so this is pretty good close quarters. Outside of close quarters, like you're just having the worst time of your life.
Losing B.
See?
Taking A. Losing Bravo.
Damage blocked. Just 10. Okay.
Losing B.
I just... Where is my fucking gun at? Like, I'm trying to get my gun back. This is what I hate about, the settings in this game. It's just strictly the worst it's ever been.
We're taking C.
Ah, I died.
Losing Bravo. Losing B. Securing Alpha. Losing Bravo.
Oh my god,
Leads
why?
on. Stay on task. Losing B. Taking A. We're losing Charlie. Taking Alpha. We lost C.
Okay, so word of advice:
Zone Alpha captured.
go with this around max. If you don't want to lose your sanity. Revenge is mine, bitch.
We lost B.
Well, I got stuck there. Okay. I'm stuck in more.
Taking B.
That is a whole headache and a half.
Securing B.
Jesus, teammate.
B locked down. Losing B. Losing
Oh, man.
Bravo. Securing C.
Teammate, please get out of the way.
Oh, Bravo lost. Taking C.
Why?
Taking B.
my god, like you ran right into me, you asshole.
Be secured. Securing Charlie.
I had to slip gun like that. Jesus. Okay, so I'll have to use that stands if I want to get my pistol faster. Never mind, that quite literally does not help.
Losing B.
Oh my god!
Locking down Charlie.
We'll jump into the no-go, okay. How many grenades are being thrown in there? Because clearly they're getting desperately toxic.
Losing Bravo. Losing B. Losing Bravo. Losing B.
I mean, I did come in late, kind of turned it around for them, so
Securing Charlie.
credit.
Losing Bravo.
I ran into him there.
Securing C. Losing B. Locking down Charlie.
Oh, hello. No, he got me.
Taking C. Losing Bravo. Securing Charlie.
Yeah, they're just getting disgustingly toxic. And again, I hate that guy. He's gonna like straight up camp back there for as long as it takes.
Losing B.
That took way too long.
Losing Bravo. Losing B. Taking C.
It hit him.
Got the kill right where we want him. Keep it tight. Locking down Charlie. Securing C.
Where's my gun at? You know, if I had my pistol, I probably wouldn't have died.
Log everything. The guild's gonna pay for their fuck up.
Oh. 41, I'll take
the
it.
risks, reap the rewards.